dear friends, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home during this lockdown period and enjoying our videos. Friends, today I am here with a new topic. My topic is nearsightedness or myopia. Friends, some of you have noticed that young age people use spec. Why they use spec? Do you know? Today I am here to discuss on this topic. Let's start the discussion. Friends, before going to the discussion, my topic is nearsightedness. What does it mean? Do you know? It means the person can see the near object clearly but cannot see the distant object clearly. For a better understanding, look at this picture. Friends, in the first picture, the eye can see the object which is placed between 25 cm and infinity. What does infinity mean here? Infinity means the person up to which the person can see up to, but the person can see up to which he can see, the person up to which he can see. So friends, here the point is called far point of normal eye. Friends, and in this case the image is formed on the retina. Friends, this is the normal eye. Then what has happened in the myopic eye? Have a look in second picture. In second picture, the eye lens can see the object nearer to it. That point is called far point of myopic eye. If you compare these two, the far point, if the object is placed beyond the far point, the eye cannot see. And in both the cases, the image is formed on the retina. This was interesting thing here. So friends, what is the defect of myopic eye? Look at the third one. In third picture, the eye can see in the third picture there are 2 points. If you see in mathematical eye, in the third picture there are 2 points. First is O dash, second is O. O dash indicates far point of myopic eye, far point of normal eye, and O indicates far point of myopic eye. So friends, if you compare these two, friends, first you tell me which one is greater to the eye lens, which one is nearer to the eye lens. Can you say? Yes. The O dash, which is far point normal eye, is greater, and far point myopic eye, O, is nearer. Due to this reason, the far point of the myopic eye is nearer than the eye lens, nearer than infinity to the eye lens. So friends, here the image is formed in front of the retina. Due to this reason, the person cannot see the distant object clearly. This was the defect of myopic eye. Friends, how can we rectify it? How can we correct it? Have a look. Fourth one. Fourth one, it indicates the eye. It indicates that the defect can be cleared or rectified by a lens, using a lens called concave lens. Here, friends, interesting thing that there are 2 lenses. First is concave lens, another is convex lens. Concave lens diverges the 2 rays, and convex lens converges the 2 rays on the focus at the retina, in which the image is formed at the retina. Due to this reason, here the person can see the distant object clearly. So the person who is suffering from the person who is suffering from myopia use concave lens. So friends, this is all about our topic, that is nearsightedness or myopia. In our second part, we shall discuss the farsightedness, that is hypermetropia. So thank you.